Today we're visiting Caminito. In the heart of Buenos Aires' La Boca neighborhood, Caminito stands as a testament to the vibrant history and artistic soul of Argentina's capital city. La Boca is about 8 kilometers south of Retiro, approximately 30-minute drive. This iconic street, known for its colorful facades, tango music, and bohemian atmosphere, weaves a compelling tale of passion, resilience, and creativity. Throughout this video, we'll share a few tips to make the best out of your time in Caminito. The city bus tour takes you through this neighborhood, so don't forget to check out our last video if you have not seen that yet. The story of Caminito begins in the late 19th century when the Boca neighborhood was a hub of activity, bustling with European immigrants who came seeking opportunities in the New World. As the port of Buenos Aires flourished, many workers settled in this vibrant area, giving birth to the unique culture and identity that define Caminito today. The name Caminito, meaning little path in Spanish, came from a popular tango song, encapsulating the essence of this picturesque street. Many artists display their work along the street, and you might even witness a spontaneous tango performance. Thanks to the fusion of different cultures, one of the most important musical styles of the country emerged: tango. Caminito quickly became a haven for artists and musicians, drawn to its cobbled streets and colorful architecture. Caminito is a pleasant place to learn the tango origins and admire the different artistic works exhibited. Strolling along the iconic Caminito, visitors are treated to a kaleidoscope of colors as the buildings don vibrant shades and display captivating murals. It is also possible to admire hundreds of murals with deep social meanings that stand out in the walls of the neighborhood. While Caminito thrived as an artistic enclave, it faced challenges over the years. Economic hardships and political changes caused fluctuations in the neighborhood's fortunes. However, its true essence endured, and in the 1950s, local artist Benito Quinquela Martin spearheaded a revitalization effort using the tenements as his canvas. He painted them in bright colors, turning Caminito into an open-air museum. Today, it stands as one of the city's most iconic landmarks, attracting tourists and locals alike. The tenement buildings made of wood and sheet metal are typical of the conventillos, precarious, communal dwellings built by genuine immigrants starting in the late 19th century. Many of the buildings here are built on raised foundations due to the frequent floods in the past. Street performers and tango dancers add to the lively ambiance, inviting spectators to join in on the rhythm of the dance. The artists that call Caminito home found inspiration in the neighborhood's humble surroundings, creating masterpieces that reflected the essence of Buenos Aires' working-class spirit. Caminito is a popular tourist destination, and it can get quite crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons. To avoid the crowds and fully enjoy the experience, consider visiting Caminito early in the morning or later in the afternoon. Weekdays might also be less crowded than weekends. Arriving early allows you to explore the area, take photographs, and soak in the atmosphere without the bustling crowds. Fundación Proa, an art museum and cultural center, showcases contemporary Argentinian artists and offers breathtaking views of the city from its terrace. La Bombonera Stadium, which we saw earlier painted in blue and yellow, is home to the famous Boca Juniors football club. It's a pilgrimage site for soccer enthusiasts. A visit to the Museo de la Pasión Boquense provides insight into Boca Juniors' history and devoted fans. Artisan shops line the streets, offering unique handicrafts and souvenirs to commemorate the visit. I felt very safe walking around in Caminito and didn't have to worry about any of the items I was getting or any of the deals I was making with the artisans there. Additionally, if you're interested in purchasing souvenirs or artwork from local vendors, engage in friendly conversation and negotiation. Buying directly from the artist not only ensures authenticity, but also provides you with a unique memento of your visit. The nearby Boca Craft Market is a treasure trove of traditional Argentinian crafts, from handmade leather goods to intricate textiles. As we wander through the Boca neighborhood, we encounter various attractions that breathe life into its history. If you're liking this video so far, hit that like button and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel. Caminito is not just a street, it's a living, breathing canvas that reflects the local culture and history. Take the time to engage with the local artists, street performers, and tango dancers. Engaging with the local culture not only enhances your experience, but also supports the livelihoods of those who contribute to the vibrant ambiance of Caminito. This is Encuentro Nativo, one of the top-rated restaurants in Caminito and recognized as a traveler's choice in 2022 on TripAdvisor. Here, you can enjoy your meal with tango dancers and a singer. While Caminito is a colorful and picturesque location, remember that it's also a neighborhood where people live and work. Always ask permission before capturing someone's portrait. Caminito remains an enchanting blend of history, art, and passion. From its humble origins as a little path to its current status as a celebrated open-air museum, Caminito stands as a testament to the unwavering spirit of the Argentinian people. Artistic work of great importance are also exhibited, as Herrero Boquense, La Familia, among others. All works were donated by renowned artists in order to beautify and brighten up this walk. As we bid farewell to this vibrant tapestry of colors and culture, we carry with us the echoes of tango, the allure of art, and the enduring magic of Caminito and the Boca neighborhood. Stay tuned for more adventures.